What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Kentucky Kingdom in Hurricane Bay. And today is a special day because it's Media Day for Kentucky Flyer, which is the Gravity Group wooden roller coaster. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. So here we are. This is the entrance. We can see sign right there. Do have the ribbon right in front, ready to cut. And then right behind that, a test car. So we can see Kentucky Flyer right there. Test seat has the indicator lights to let you know if you fit or not. And just over there is Kentucky Flyer. So this is the exit side of the queue right here. Regular side is going to be over there. We can see some signs. Turbulence, elevation, velocity. Gotta love it.
Ready? 3, 2,
1! Woo! Yeah! So here we are in the queue, following King Louis to the station. What the? In the station.
Pilots, please gather up any carry-on items that you may have to place into these bins on the other side of the train.
And our chariot has arrived. Loving the blue. Alrighty guys, so we are about to do our very first ride here on Kentucky Flyer. We got James with me. And we're in the front row. So literally, this is our first ride, first reaction. So all this, you're seeing it first time. Looks not very tall. We're almost at the top right now, but hopefully we're gonna have some fun. Hands up. Yeah. Neat looking layout. Here we go. I was not expecting that, to be honest. So the ride itself is not very tall, right? Not very fast, let's be honest. But the airtime?
That was intense.
Wow! So I'm actually very surprised by that. So I mean, if you've done Mind Blower, another Gravity Group ride, you get pops of air. And that's exactly what we got on this one. So we were coming out of our seat a lot on that one. There's some good room, but the biggest thing that I can take away from this ride though is exactly what others have said. It's literally the perfect ride for this park when it comes to, you have Storm Chaser, a crazy RMC. Of course, you have Lightning Run, which is an awesome GTX coaster. And now you have a great family coaster that somebody, little kids in them or not, they can ride with mom and dad. So great addition here at Kentucky Kingdom with Kentucky Flyer. I'm really impressed. Scale of 1 to 10 on this, if we're judging it off of like rides in similar height and size, this is like a 9, 9.5, if not a 10. It's a great addition. Yeah, great addition. Woo!
Well, welcome back, pilots. Now, what's your flag?
Good.
Yeah. All right.
So we just did our first ride. Like I said in the POV, awesome addition to Kentucky Kingdom. Literally the perfect addition to this park. And now here's the photo booth right over here.
Captain. Riders must be a minimum of 46 inches tall to ride alone, or a minimum of 40 inches tall to ride with a supervising companion who meets all rider requirements, is at least 14 years old, and is able to make sure any...
Welcome back, riders. I hope you all enjoyed the ride. Welcome back, riders. How was your ride? Alright, once the ride comes to a complete stop, you can press up on those lap bars and exit towards your right. Don't forget to grab any loose articles in the bins.
is not responsible for your personal items. You do not suffer
In the bins were guided once those gates open.
Honestly, though, this is the only one.
Alright, at least one person liked it. There's two. Alright, at this time you guys go ahead and lift up. What I like to hear. Alright, at this time you guys go ahead and lift up on them lap bars. My name is Michael and this is Peter.
Shot.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Kentucky Kingdom. And I got to say, Kentucky Flyer, what a heck of a ride. It is not a kid's coaster, even though it is perfect for them. Tons of fun, tons of thrills. And I do hope we see many more of these around the United States and world. Of course, we're going to be back to Kentucky Kingdom hopefully very soon. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.